Hey, how's it going, Luke?
Oh my god, that is massive!
Said I wanted all for me. He asked me if I'm dressed for the ride, but I don't wanna feel my pause, come on. In interactions, I just on that side. No, I don't wanna sabotage myself. You know them demons wanna get inside, and every talk is just an ask for help. Every tear is just a blessing in disguise.
Yeah, I think it's about time that we change things up. I'm bored of this setup, you probably are too. We're gonna switch things up, go to a high-rise in Manchester, get a new car, do some brand presentations to clients. You're gonna see the full lot. This is probably gonna be one of the most unrealistic week in the lives of a graphic designer. So let's get it. All right, so I've actually got this productivity planner. I've missed out so many days on it. I can't say I sit here and journal every single day because it just doesn't happen. When I'm trying to lock in, I always try and start the day with journaling. I used to try and meditate, but I just can't stick to it. I'm really shit at meditating. So yeah, I try and at least just journal because it just gives me, it's almost an agreement to myself to make sure that I try and achieve all the things on this list every day. So today, we actually need to film a YouTube video. I've got to get a YouTube video out today. So we've got Padel at 11, 12:30. I'd say that's probably when we get back, so we'll have lunch around then. And then from 1 to 3, we'll try and get this YouTube video scripted and filmed. I always end up putting way too much on these lists and nothing gets done. Tomorrow I've got the brand presentation, then we need to create some reels as well. So yeah, right, let's get to it. It actually tastes really nice. How we doing, fellas? We're back from Padel. We're just making a little bit of food before we jump into some work for the day. We are cooking up a little bit of a chicken pasta. Pretty much every day I just have a steak and chicken. Chicken for lunch, steak for tea. Keep it nice and simple, quick to cook. Got to make sure we get our BCAAs in and our electrolytes, especially after a little session like that. So pop an electrolyte in there as well. That was actually a really good Padel session though. I feel like I learned a lot there. But having a mentor in pretty much anything is great. How's that pasta doing? Pasta's a little bit hard. Got some onion granules in there. Let's whack some pesto in there. Decent. So for this brand, it's actually a fintech business, and we wanted to go for quite a friendly brand, attracting like a younger audience. And the way that we've managed to do that, to stand out from the crowd, like we do it non-stop, create brand identities that go against the run of play, is by going for a mascot-led branding. So I'm really excited to actually present this to the client. I'm going to quickly show you a little bit of the presentation here. Link in the description if you want to see my templates. But yeah, look at the word mark. Super happy with the word mark. Super happy with the applications. But my favourite part of the branding is the iconography, illustrations. Check them out. And then also, so we've got the photography there as well. Flash photography, which looks pretty cool. Applications, wait till you see this, check them out. How cool is that? Literally all of it together looks amazing. So yeah, we're going to be presenting that to the client tomorrow. We'll get the live reaction, see if they like it. There's a possibility that they won't even like it, so you'll be able to see the realities of running a design agency, because it's not, have I got some fucking chicken on my face? What's that? No, I've not. Yeah, that's the realities of running an agency. You never know if the client's going to like it or not. If not, back to the drawing board, tweak a few things. But to be honest, I think they're going to like it. I'm really happy with this identity, so that's tomorrow's job. Anyway, I'm going to go for a shower, get ready, get changed, and then we'll start scripting this YouTube video. Right, so we're already pushing 3 o'clock, which was way over the time that I estimated in my journal. We're meant to have this whole YouTube video finished by 3, so we're a bit out of track with time. We've just had a discovery call come through our inbox though, So on Monday we've got a call with somebody for brand identity. We'll see how that goes. Completely underestimated the day. It's currently 5 p.m. But the good thing is that we finished the script. So I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'll probably do a pull workout and also try and get a 5K run in. I've got a half marathon coming up soon. So when I get back, I'm gonna try and record the A-roll of this, and then tomorrow we're probably gonna have to do the B-roll and also edit it as well.
And we've been here many times before, give it up. Couldn't give you more. And I don't know what the hell I've been looking for, but I'm at your door. 'Cause you know what I'm doing right. Doesn't make you feel good when you try. Doesn't make you feel good when you cry. It's looking like I'm all out of love.
Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes. My tea every day looks exactly the same. We have a sirloin steak, cooked medium rare, eggs with a bit of cheese, some long stem broccoli, a bit of lettuce, to finish it off, some barbecue sauce. I completely forgot to show you guys the new flat, so let me show you. We've got the office space over here. I'm going to quickly jump into detail with this. We've actually bought another Mac screen because I'm going to start streaming soon. So if you see down here, I can have one stream for the OBS. You can see myself there. And I can change screens and stuff like that. So you can see my screen. And I can actually work on this screen, make sure that I'm not doing anything that shouldn't be on this one. We've got the prompter in the middle. This is for filming the videos. I can just come down here, click play, and that's going to roll. Don't know why it's not centered at the minute. We've got the Sony A7 at the back. We've got the MacBook M3 Ultra, I believe. Got the new iPad Pro down here as well. I use this for primarily sketching, not really much else nowadays. Sometimes taking notes. And yeah, that's the setup. We've also got a brand new microphone, so it should sound crispy clear. We've got the Shure NDB7, something like that. We've got the Elgato mic arm, which is actually really nice and low profile. And I got these Orange Road XLR cables to go for the non-stop branding. So yeah, this is the setup. We've got the light up there. Everything's completely controlled on here, which is going to be good when I start streaming next week. But yeah, that's the new office space. Then we've got right next to it, we've got chill out zone, TV, couch, logo books. We're going to get a bookshelf over there to put all the books on in case I ever start reading, which I probably should do. We've got the journal and food zone over here, and then we've got the kitchen over here. Got a little wine cooler down there as well, which I need to fill up. Dangerous. So yeah, that's that. Bathroom, standard, pretty nice. Bedroom, I've not really done much of this yet. It's completely white. I really need to figure out what I'm doing in here because it looks a little bit loony at the minute. Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and it's just a completely white room. I sleep with the blinds open as well, just to let the natural light wake me up. But yeah, we've got a beautiful view out there. So yeah, that's the new flat. It's a massive upgrade to my old studio. And to be fair, if you're enjoying this vlog so far, let me know in the comments because I might just start documenting on a weekly basis what I'm up to with the agency again. Like I used to do daily, but just do like a weekly recap. Just be real with you guys, what's working, what's not. What goes well, what goes wrong, because it's a journey. I can't predict what's going to happen. And nothing ever goes smoothly as well, so yeah. Let's film this video now. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to make the A-roll. All right, we finally finished recording that video. That took a while. It's 8 p.m. right now. Probably gonna go for a walk around the block. Might meet my mate. It's quite a nice evening now. Oh, what's going on, boys? We've got a brand presentation coming up now. Quickly show you my screen. We've got the brand presentation over here for Ramono. Gonna see what the client's reaction is. Hopefully they love it. You never know though with this brand design stuff, so we'll see. It's a pretty cool identity, very heavily mascot based. So it's going to be, I'm excited to reveal it anyway. It's got a nice word mark as well. So yeah, we'll see what the client thinks. Just wait for them to jump on a call now. And yeah, Let's give it a little run through. Before I jump on a call, I usually try and quickly run through the presentation by myself just to make sure that I don't fuck up while I'm on the call. Hey, how's it going, Luke? Cool, right, well, I'll jump into it anyway. Me and the guys have been working hard to get this over the line. We're really happy with how it came out. What I'm going to do is walk through it in our design decisions, and then at the end you can tell me your initial thoughts. I'll upload it to the Notion portal, and then you can sit on it over the weekend, and then on Monday you can give us your detailed feedback.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Cool.
Really excited.
Right. So again, you can see how it looks as an icon and a logo type.
Yeah, I really like that actually.
You can see how we use the borders as well to add that human element.
Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, that's really cool. I like that, yeah. I really like the character. It's got like so much energy and it resonates very well with like this generation.
Yeah, amazing. No, I thought you'd like it. I think when we finally decided on this, we were all very happy with it. But yeah, you don't have to go into detail with what you like and what you don't like now. I'll let you sit on it. Because, I always find it's good to look at it with a fresh pair of eyes as well. Leave it to resonate over a day. Check it tomorrow morning. Get some feedback. And then, yeah, let us know what you think. And then we'll get working on any amendments and then build out the brand guidelines so it's all ready to go.
Yeah, that sounds fire. Yeah, really excited and very impressed with the direction so far.
Cool. No, thank you very much, Luke. I appreciate your time. It's been a pleasure working on this. It's been a really fun project to work on. Okay, promising sign. Before a brand presentation, you always have these like pre-brand presentation nerves because you don't know how it's going to go, but they sounded pretty happy with it. I don't really like to try and push an immediate reaction from them just because, like, if I didn't like something, I just feel I wouldn't be comfortable directly saying it on the first call. I'm really confident in this identity anyway. You guys have seen it now. It looks really great. Completely aligns with the strategy, so I think he's going to love it. I have confidence in the brand. I think any feedback that he gives will be necessary feedback. So yeah, no, should be good. I'm going to send this over to him on Notion now. And then yeah, finish off the day. Okay, so today we've got a little bit of a different day. We're actually picking up a brand new car. A bit different to the normal working day, but you know, these things happen. So I've always been driving around a really shitty car. Today we're picking up something pretty cool, so I'm really looking forward to this. I should be insured on it from today, so there shouldn't be any problems with picking it up. But yeah, I'm excited for you to see it. Let's go and pick it up on this quite miserable day in Manchester. It's a little bit rainy today, but it's all good. Yeah, no, I hear it.
You just building it.
Yeah. Is it the same song? Yeah, two,
With
right?
these like leads, you got like.
Left onto Trafford Road. Then turn right.
Is it that one? Is it that one?
Oh, that's nuts. That is crazy. Check that out.
That's sick, right?
Yeah, that is bad.
No, this is actually bad. Like, look in the sky, it's got a glass roof and everything.
Fucking screaming, man. Crazy.
Belly. Oh yeah.
Oi! No! Oi, look, I'm locked in.
You got a game for me, Kurt?
Look, I'm locked in. Look. Bro, I'm so locked.
Oh, this is crazy. This is so crazy. Oh yeah, it's actually way sicker than I thought it was going to be.
Oi, can you get
This is mental. Does that charge?
Click on it.
Oh mate, that charges the phone! Oh my days, this is crazy.
Wait, lad. Oi, I promise you jump on these back seats, Adam.
Go on, I need to get in the back. Oh my god, that is massive!
Look. Oh, you got to test the life pack.
Does it go underneath as well?
Oh my god, like you put a kid in there.
A little light show, what's it doing in there? Check that front out. Oh, look at all the windows going up and down.
Yeah, look at the back.
That is mental. This is such a toy car. Right, let's jump in. I think that's heated seats there, or cool seats maybe. Oh yeah, it's cool, mate. Oh my god, put yours on. It's got that aircon through your balls. You feel that?
You ain't no little boy no more.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh shit.
How's everybody doing tonight? I'd like to welcome to the stage to Classic. I like that.
Wait, no, they're so sensitive.
Give a warm round of applause for the notorious
Let's give it a little speed test. I wish we did have a longer road. Shall I try and find a longer road?
Yeah, find a longer road.
Right, keep that on. Shall I do this?
No, it's not long.
Oh no, actually, there's a zebra crossing there. Let's give it a little slap. That is mad.
Oh my god.
That is some serious pull.
All right, come on, let's make some fart noises. Right, put it in park. Put it in park. It's on red. Right, put it in park. This is the megaphone prank. Yeah. Right. Hiya! Oh shit! He's doing that. That's well weird doing that.
All black, everything, and our girls are black first. Riding with they diligence. I get more in depth if you boys really real enough. This is like familiar. I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave Doug a grip, I lost a flip for five.
Oh, that was bad.
Gotta get ready for when we got the Lambos, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, is it not showing it?
Yeah, look what show.
Not even got my
Take your
feet
hands
on.
off. Take your hand off.
Feet are not on.
Take your hands off the wheel.
Fully driving. That is crazy.
Like on a straight road like this, it's not.
I want to see if it turns around.
Yeah,
there,
it will.
and
It will.
indicates.
It will. Right, so we're coming up to this.
Like this guy's just pulled out.
Yeah,
and
it's pulled
slowed
out and
down.
it's slowed down. Yeah, look.
In 500 feet, enter the roundabout and
Right.
take the first
I'm
exit.
guessing it's going to do it
Right,
for us.
let's
Wait,
see,
wait. See if
let's
it takes us left. Oh, it's not doing it. It's not doing it.
Ah, it's not.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go across. And again and again.
Right, so that's a good test then. So it doesn't.
Yeah,
do
so
that.
it doesn't follow the
In
route.
500.
Thing is though, like now, like I'm expecting it to drive for me, so you got to like switch back on mentally. Like I was well off it then. All right, so that pretty much wraps up a pretty fun week. Not every week's like this, but I don't know. Should I carry on doing these? Let me know in the comments below. I'm actually currently working on a framer template. I'm going to quickly show you it. This is a brand guidelines template I've been working on for about 8 months now. I've collaborated with a designer called Jacob. Check this out. It's going to be, I believe it's genuinely going to be one of the best interactive guideline templates out there. Because to be honest, there aren't many, and I think it's because it takes so long to create. So just a quick look through it. You see that everything's going to be completely interactive. You're going to be able to host it live as a website. It's going to be fully interactive. You can download your files. And yeah, it's just really sick. Loads of cool animations in here. Really excited to get this out. Yeah, if you've still not used Framer yet, make sure to check that out. Also in the link in the description. I'm a Framer affiliate, so you'll get 25% off if you use the code Jack Watson. And yeah, I'll show you quickly my website. I've made a few changes to it since you've last seen. We've had a little bit of a rebrand internally. We've kept the same sort of illustration style, but we've made orange not as dominant as it was. I think it was a bit too orange before. We've still got the same logo and we've still got the same Instagram profile picture, but in terms of like the website, we've introduced gold into the color palette, which I think has this nice touch, especially for the luxury things. You see on this website here, we've got the recent projects. Look how cool this is with the animation. So sick, so sick. Yeah, we've got the pricing on the website now. We've also got a startup identity package, which is brand new. I want to see how this does. It's basically a mini brand identity package compared to the normal one. So I'm intrigued to see how that works. But yeah, website's super clean. You can see the analytics as well, which is ace on Framer. You can see we've only just launched it on the 12th of June. 4,000 page views. Honestly, I genuinely couldn't recommend them more. If you want to get started today with Framer, link in the description, code Jack Watson, and that's going to get you 25% off.